Hi neighbor, we all know how tough it is for small creators in any niche to grow on YouTube. We all know that. This message is for small creators like me and you. So neighbors, can we all use this month, 30 days, to embark on a challenge, everyday posting in a specific time, just to challenge ourselves. Small creators' life matters. So neighbors, let me just say, join me on my journey as I challenge myself to become a sensation on YouTube in just 30 days. My goal on this channel is not just to bring recipes or cooking tips for you. No, my biggest goal on this channel is to build a community both online and offline. So if you are a foodie or just love cooking like me, I would love to hear from you. Your favorite meal, your cooking tips. Kindly share with me in the comment below. And be sure to watch my next video because I'm bringing up banger 30 days challenge you know. Anyways, I'm super excited to know where the 30 days challenge will take me to. Yes, with me and you, we are going to elevate. YouTube is not for the weak, yeah, but let's stand strong and hope for good things. Don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and like this video. 30 days challenge. Let's go. Let's see how it goes.